Hello, this is Ervina. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a clean fasten off. Usually it is used in baby shoes or maybe some bags. You will see that this part, the joining of the round, it should have a clean fasten off so that it's not too jagged. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a piece that is made using joint rounds. So to do the clean fasten off, we'll crochet until the end of the round. Usually, we'll be doing a single crochet to the first stitch of the round to join the stitch. But because I want to do a closure here to make a clean fasten off, I'll pull out the yarn from here and then insert into the tapestry needle, and then using the tapestry needle, insert the yarn into the first stitch of the round. Okay. And then this is the last stitch and the yarn comes out from the top here. So we'll be inserting the yarn to the top part and to the vertical bar of the first stitch, which is this one. Vertical bar of the first stitch of the round. Okay, and then insert the yarn, pull it tight, now it is camouflaged like just a normal stitch, so you won't be able to see where is the beginning of the yarn or the end of the round. Now what if we are doing it in a spiral form? How do we do a clean fasten off? So for a clean fasten off on a spiral one, we can skip one stitch. So skip this stitch and then slip stitch to the next stitch and then pull it off. And insert the yarn tail to the tapestry needle. Again, we'll skip one stitch. This is the yarn, this is the stitch that we do the slip stitch. So we'll skip one stitch and then to the next stitch insert a yarn, and then to the center of the slip stitch we'll insert the yarn, and to the back loop of the skip stitch we'll insert it. Okay, so now it is nicely camouflaged. Hopefully this is helpful to you, the clean fasten off.